it's Biddy Penny, and I'm going to a crop with Letty. Woohoo! I can't wait, you guys. I am unwrapping this amazing tote. It's the Everything Mary Rolling Craft Bag. This is not sponsored. I found this on my own. I spent my money on it, and it's one of my favorite purchases of 2022. That's how much I like this thing. So this was made and designed by a crafter. It is so sturdy and well made, and I love that it's collapsible so that when I'm not going to a crop, I can shrink it down super tiny and store it away. It's just amazing. It's made for scrapbookers. Okay, so this is the one for us card makers, memory keepers, things like that. But she has a whole line of different ones. I bought a few other things on Amazon. And you guys, I'm happy to announce that I'm officially an Amazon affiliate. So I have all of my favorite things now linked down in the description box. Look at this expandable 12 by 12 paper storage. Yes, $12.99 or something like that. Amazing. We'll go over this some more. It fits perfectly in this tote. I love that it has like 13 pockets, so you can store all kinds of paper collections. See, if I put my paper pad in here, there's a few inches, but if I put this in there, it just fits like a glove. It's perfect. So I'm super excited about that. I'm just showing you here that I'm also going to use these scrapbook.com pockets, which I showcased in my card making summit video. I'm loving those too. And so I'm going to take my favorite trim and scoreboard. I've got it linked down below. You guys, I don't know how many I've sold of these for We Are Memory Keepers without the affiliate link. I just decided it's another way to help me grow and honestly just to keep the channel going and everything. And y'all want to see what I love, and so I'm going to show you. So these are the close-ups of that stuff. So here is the expandable pocket close-up and some details about it. I do have it linked down below. I know this is going fast. I was worried I would take up too much of your time. I'm going to take this Halloween bundle from Not Too Shabby. It's currently sold out, but I'm really hoping Jamie will restock it. Maybe if y'all didn't get one and you really want one, send her an email, let her know. I'm sure if she had enough requests to restock it, she could or maybe would. So I'm going to play with that because I'm trying to craft for school right now. I'm trying to make a bunch of stuff for the school year, so I just have things made for teachers and things like that. So I grabbed some paper out of my stash. I'm kind of making my own little kit here. I'm putting this in my scrapbook.com pocket because I really don't like my cardstock getting damaged. I also grabbed this kit, which I just checked, and this one's still available. And I'm grabbing paper to go with it as well. So I told myself I could take 2 card kits. Both of these are perfect for teachers. So these are the ones I chose. These are some papers I chose out of my stash. I did pick this orange because I was like, well, I could always use it for the Halloween bundle, but then I didn't really love it with this paper pad color, so I took it out and I brought in this pink, and then I was like, that's the ticket. That's what I really want to shine from this paper pad, is the beautiful pinks. So got all my paper together. I'm also taking scraps, and I'm taking some Tsunami Rose printables for junk journaling. So I'll have a few projects that I can work on because I think Letty and I are going to craft like a lot of the day. So I want to make sure that I have plenty in there. Okay, I slowed the video down because you guys, I just can't handle it. I'm sorry. I hope you'll hang out with me anyways. You already know it's less than 15 minutes, so we're going to take it down to Biddy Penny speed here throughout the rest of the video for the most part. Okay, I did want to show you that I got these brushes and I am in love with them. You can get this 8-pack for less than $10 on Amazon. And then I also got these because I was gifted the scrapbook.com collection of ink pads and I needed brushes for them. So these are amazing. I had purchased another one that's similar to it on Amazon. I didn't like them. Those go to my Catherine pullers. I hardly ever use them. It's fine. But these are the ticket. These are thick the way I like them, so they're sturdy. They don't have fallout. I loved these. The other ones, the other brushes I have with colored handles are super soft and don't blend that well, and I just don't like them. But I love these, and I also love these stick brushes, you guys. So I wanted to show you. I'm like filling in with these. I love that the scrapbook.com labels the cover of their ink and the back of their ink, so you make sure you get things matched up. I also like that they have like yellow 1, yellow 2, yellow 3, yellow 4. So if you're doing sampling or blending like this, you don't have to think about it. That is brilliant. I love it. Good job, scrapbook.com. So see how I can get detail in this tiny, I got out this small stencil because I wanted you to see. And I did measure these up, and it's basically a 1/2 inch, a 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch size brushes. Look how smooth that blend is. I'm not trying. I'm just getting a smooth blend. I have these linked down below too. So, you know, hey, don't buy anything. Don't use my link. It's fine. It's okay. We're still friends. Hey, I know. But if you're looking for these things, then feel free. It would be awesome. All right. This is my usual pack. I always have this thing packed up and ready to go. I never take anything out of it. It's just the way it is. This is ready to go. This is my mommy's got to sit in a car line at school, and I'm not going to go crazy, so I'm going to craft. I did bring in my pocket here to save this paper because it was already getting kind of bent up in there. It fits perfectly in my bag. I'm so excited. Anyway, so this is what I normally always have packed. I do have to go in here because it's been a couple of years and double check that everything is still good. But I will be going ahead and taking this because I know that this has everything I need. I love that loop because I put it over the headrest of my car in my passenger seat and just craft my heart out, you guys. I used to have to take people to kung fu and ballet and school pickup. I was in my car all the time, so I needed this bag. And it's a cosmetic bag. And you know, I'm not leaving the house without watercolor, and that's just the way it is. So this bag I'm just taking as is. I did purchase something for my colored pencils because I had a couple of colored pencil sets that didn't have tins. So I'm going to show y'all my favorite colored pencils that I have been playing with. These are not archival. They're not really like professional, but my card doesn't need to be archival, you guys. I just don't think people are going to keep them that long. I'm just saying. But I had these random, I have Prismacolor and I love them too. The ones in the tins I'm keeping in the tins, but I had these random ones that didn't have tins, and to be honest, they're not my favorite, but they'll work in a pinch, and I don't understand really why they gave me so many of the same color. The only thing I could think of is like maybe those are colors they anticipated people would use a lot of, and you can't buy these open stock, so that way you'd have plenty without buying another pack. I don't know. I'm filling up this Tim Holtz tin with a rainbow. I'm trying to think of colors that will go with the card kits and the printables for the junk journals that I'll be making or working on while I'm at the scrapbook fair. So, you know, I'm just putting together a rainbow that works for this occasion, and then I can come back, I'll empty it out, and next time I get to go, I'll put together a different rainbow. I'm kind of looking at my pinks, making sure they're different enough. And yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. So this is in San Marcos, Texas. It's this weekend. It starts tomorrow. It starts on Friday. I won't be there. Okay, I can't get off work. I'm going to be there on Saturday with my friend Letty from Planner Paperie. And how have I not mentioned yet, it's because this video is going so fast, that this is a collaboration with her. You guys go check out what she packed. I'm gonna have to put that up in the earlier part of the video. You got to go see what she packed. I can't wait to see how she packed for this event. I can't wait to sit and craft with her. I have another friend, Natasha, who's gonna meet us there. I'm gonna have my Bitty Penny shirt on so you guys can find me. I don't don't put my mug on my videos very often, so I figured that would be a helpful thing. But we're going to have so much fun. I just know it. I don't need a crystal ball to tell me that we're going to have a good time this weekend. I cannot wait. That is one reason why this tote is one of my favorite purchases, because I want to do this more. I want to craft with people more. I want to leave the house and craft and crop. And this tote, I'm telling you, it's going to take me places, you guys. Crafty places, and I love that. So one thing I am doing is making sure that things are labeled. I had these leftover labels from when I was making my ATC cards, so I just kind of glued or taped those to my belongings so that I know and others know that I brought that. Yeah, oh yeah, that's mine. So here are my ATCs. I'm keeping these in a pencil box. I rescue things like this from around the house that aren't being used, and I bring them in my craft room, and I clutter my craft room with unused storage items, thinking one day I might use this, and look, I'm using it. So I just taped my name on there. All right, you guys, I need a surface. I've got to have a surface because I don't want to have to apologize for getting ink on somebody's table or whatever. So I'm taking one of my favorites, which is this Make Art Station by Ranger, and it's brilliant for travel. Okay, this is a full-size one. They also make a smaller one, but it's magnetic. And let me tell you, it's amazing. So I'll bring a silicone mat. I'm going to bring some paper towels, some baby wipes so I can clean up after my messy self. And let me show you, if you're on the road and you're trying to craft, you need this. I'm just saying, because maybe this thing is tilted on your lap, right? Everything's sliding around. It'll drive you nuts. You'll be throwing it out, your project out the window before you even get to your destination. But if you have this board, you might make it. I'm just saying. I love it. It's great for stencils. It's great for traveling. It comes with this magnetic ruler. So I'm going to just secure my mat on here, my silicone mat, and I'm off to the races. I'm ready to go. So I picked this up at our school rally. I was like, I can use that. And looky there. So that's a magnetic clip. So I can clip the top open and fill this sucker up. All right. I've got my paper. I have my mat, my surface to craft on, my colored pencils. I want to show y'all, this case actually fits in here perfectly like this, but not if you had this in there. So you got to turn it. That won't work. I've got, what else am I putting in here? My inks. I do have card bases. You need to make sure you're taking card bases if you're making cards. I'm just saying. I have my favorite trim tool and scoreboard folded in half. So perfect. It fits in here perfectly, you guys. My brushes, all my things, all my things. So definitely go check out Letty. Go see what she made. Go see what she put together. I want to go see. Inquiring minds want to know, right? I'm going to zip this baby up. I got to put my clip in there because that's going to come in handy. And then I'm just going to set my other bag right on top because it won't fit in there. And I'm packed. I'm locked and loaded, ready to go, you guys. If you want to see a video with me sharing what I liked, what I didn't like, what I used, what I didn't use, any of that, packing mistakes and wins, let me know in the comments down below. And I just had to leave this part in. Fazzy's like, Mom, where are you going? Can I go too? Do you need a dog? Oh, I gotta stay with the kids. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.